So at the Admiral of the Lake, I serve as the Health Services Administrator. And our vision is to be innovative. Our vision is to work smarter, not harder, and to really have better communication overall. And one way we are really doing that is through Hucu, where there's seamless communication. Everybody's on the same page. Hucu has made things so much easier. One thing that I notice is that I can be, as the Health Services Administrator, I can be updated on the status or any issues in real time. I can hear from the nurses, from the providers, from the family, and be able to respond to something in real time and really have that information at my fingertips if needed. Our team is constantly using Hucu to message the providers and get feedback from the providers, whether it's to show them lab results or x-ray results to review, whether it's even to take pictures if needed, to show a provider something that needs to be addressed with the resident, to communicate to families. This is really a seamless way that you can communicate with the whole spectrum of family members and providers at one place at one time. We've really seen, since implementing Hucu, we've really seen happier staff actually. Staff are not waiting for a return phone call. Back when I started, a nurse would page a physician and let the concierge know, and hey, I paged Dr. Jones, and the nurse would go about their business, but always mind listening for that notification or that phone call that Dr. Jones is calling back. And it would really, they'd be running around, they'd be busy with other things, and sometimes they'd have to wait for a response, and sometimes they wouldn't have a response and have to try it again and try it again. And it would really take up a lot of the staff's time to communicate with the providers. So Hucu really has cut that down enormously. And we know that we can get a hold of a provider almost instantaneously, and other providers can chime in as well. So that's really helped us in our documentation and our follow through and our care. I think one of my favorite things about Hucu is just how easy it is to use, how natural it feels to us now, and I don't know how we did without it.